well, it got all the way up to here. It was coming into the garage, and I mean, I got a little concerned. Went outside and tried to clean out the gutters a little bit in the middle of the night because it was flooding. But other than that, we're used to this. It happens all the time, but it never gets this bad.
At 11 o'clock, it's about where it's at now, but at 4:30 in the morning, like I said, it was up to here. I woke up at 4:30 this morning swishing with water on the ground, woke my roommate up, went next door and woke my neighbor up because we have power strips on the floor. I was worried about getting electrocuted.
But our phones went off like crazy during the night, so we already knew. We already knew. And then my kids started calling, telling me not to go anywhere.